Livecode. Control your own applications. Create applications that can be controlled from anywhere online. Livecode is a platform for easily making your own apps, enabling you to automate your apps and run them remotely without being at your Mac. In this video, we'll show you how to set this up, and the final product will run without user input. We'll set things up using buttons to trigger scripts as we work. Let's begin. First, go to livecode.com/download and download Community Edition only. Next, after downloaded, open the package content and install Livecode. Now click Continue. Accept the terms and conditions, and continue. Now choose to install for all users, only you, or custom. In custom mode, you have the ability to define the installation path. Click Continue and install. Now finish by launching Livecode. Gives you the choice to register by creating an account for the Livecode community. You can skip this step if you wish to. Next, if any update available pops up, it is advisable to do so. Select an update available and then click Update Now. In case he doesn't rewrite the previous version, you may have to delete it. Go to where you install Livecode, Applications folder for instance, and delete the old version. By the way, you can watch this video, how to completely uninstall applications on Mac. Click to view. Now open Livecode, and let's get started. We begin by making a new main stack. Go to File, New Main Stack. Now from Tools palette, drag a regular button and a scrolling field into the card. Now double-click on the scrolling list and name the field Data. Next, select the button, click Code in the toolbar to open its script, or double-click on it and choose Edit Script. Now, after the on-mouse up line, type the following single line of code. This downloads a text file and returns an all done message when the download is done. This runs asynchronously. It doesn't stop everything while the action is done. However, you also need a handler that will be triggered by the message that is sent when the download is finished. Our message is all done, so just type on all done and hit the return key to have the line and all done appear too. There are 2 bits of data included with the all done message: the URL of the download and the status of the attempt. Now to grab these, we add 2 variables to the opening on all done line. We'll use the URL and tStatus. When the all done handler is triggered, we'll check to see if tStatus contains the word cached, meaning the download was successful. Now we need to put the downloaded data into field Data, and then unload the downloaded URL to clear the cache. On all done, type this instructions, the URL, tStatus. If tStatus is cached, then put URL, the URL, into field Data. Unload, URL, the URL, and if. We refer to what has been downloaded as if it were a remote URL. But Livecode gets it from as cached. And for some reason, what if the download wasn't successful? When tStatus doesn't contain cached, the if line won't be true, and it won't run the lines that follow it. So, after the unload URL instruction, add a new line that says else, and then a line that says put libURL, error data, the URL, into field Data. And yes, it's really that simple to list the error. Now, to hear the text, type revspeak field Data in a new line after you put the data into field Data. Click Apply, and then click the button to hear the text read out. If the time contains AM, then put Good Morning Dave into the stuff to say else. Now if you change the text file name from the URL path, you will get other message, but bear in mind, these are just 2 examples. Hello my lovelies. Now, to run automatically in every minute, in the button, just before end mouse up, type, send mouse up to me in 60 seconds. But the problem now is that it will say the same thing every minute. To stop this, you need to see if TURL, downloaded data, is not the same as field data. And only then, use revspeak. You can do this by adding an extra if before the revspeak line. And it should look like this. Now your script is smart enough to check if it's the same as what was already run.